Oh, 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 fuck. Oh, oh no. Ah, oh. Mm. Oh.
See, when you try to pull your arm off.
Oh.
That's a lot of pain just for stretching your arm.
It's very sore, okay? It's very sore. It's right in it, like the elbow, but the opposite side for the elbow. If that makes sense. Or the inside of my elbow.
Inside your elbow.
Like, see, if you look at your arm, right?
The underside of your arm.
Aye.
At the joint where the elbow
Uh,
is.
yes.
Right. I'm going to Google what that's called.
It's very. It's sore in both arms, but my left arm's significantly worse.
Elbow underside. Golfer's elbow.
Called golfer's elbow. Are you serious?
No, that's a... what is it? It's a condition that causes pain where the tendons of your forearm muscles attach to the bony bump of the inside of your elbow. The pain might spread into your forearm and wrist.
Yeah. Yeah, that sounds right.
You've got golfer's elbow.
Shit.
Stop playing golf.
I'm cured.
It's similar to tennis elbow.
Ah,
Which occurs on the outside of the elbow.
So what it's saying is I need to stop playing any form of sports.
Yep. I think obesity is the best cure.
Oh, what? Yeah, definitely. There we go, I said downloaded the multiplayer.
Wow.
Now I just need to download the actual game. And that's only 11.3 gig, and I've already downloaded 1.1, so that's only 10.2 gig. That'll be done before I go off tonight.
What? What'd you say?
I said
I said...
that it is only 11.3 gigabytes, and I've already downloaded 1.3 gigabytes,
Wow.
which means it's only 10 gigabytes, and that's only going to take 34 minutes, which means it'll be done before I go off tonight.
Wow.
Isn't that fucking fantastic?
I started recording when you were on your second round of groaning and moaning.
Oh, so you've got my second round, have you?
Aye.
Nice.
No, I'm going to go start recording.